beginning of her new life, the day he took her away from her parents across the roaring river on the other side of the mountain, everything was perfect. However,
it's been too long now, Aoyao. Don't you think you need to find another woman to bear your child?
No, please, give us another year. I promise, we will make it this time.
I'm very sorry, but I already gave you 7 years, Aoyao. You know it for yourself.
But I love Lumnai with all my heart. I promise to love her until my last breath.
You know you need to do this, Aoyao. Don't you want your name to live on in our tribe? Think about it, Aoyao. It's for the better for you and Lumnai.
while on his way home, Aoyao heard giggles of women talking about him and Lumnai.
Hey, I heard the chieftain summoned Aoyao.
Poor Aoyao, but I'm not actually surprised. Imagine, 7 years, but they still have no child.
You bet maybe the story about Lumnai being barred and bad luck is true.
Or maybe Aoyao is not good enough.
But in all seriousness, Aoyao should consider the chieftain's offer. He should marry another woman. Who knows, he might get his luck.
It is supposed to be the happiest day for the married couple, but Aoyao can't help but feel lost in his own wedding. He kept looking around, looking for someone, but was disappointed when he did not see Lumnai, and knows the reason why.
Aoyao, where are you going? I'm going. I need to see her. I need to know if she's okay.
Okay, just come back quickly. My father might look for you.
Thank you.
After leaving the wedding venue, Aoyao directly went to where Lumnai could possibly be, her favorite spot.
I knew it. You're here because I did not find you among the dancers. I came to tell you that even though I am marrying Madulimay, she can never be good as you are.
That has not done me any good. As if
Lumnai, you know that I'm doing this because I need a child. You know that life is not worth it without a child. You always see men mocking me.
I know it. I will pray that Kabunyan will bless you in Madulimay.
I'm sorry that this had to be done. I am really sorry, but neither of us can help it. You should join the dancers as if nothing had happened. Go join the dancing women. One of the men will see you dance. Who knows, with him, you might be luckier than you were with me.
I don't want any man. I don't want any other man.
Neither do I, Lumnai. It's just that I must have a child. 7 harvests were already too long to wait. Yes, we've been waiting for too long. We should have another chance before it's too late for both of us.
I have done my best. I have prayed to Kabunyan much. I have sacrificed many chickens in my prayers.
I know that, Lumnai, but I guess Kabunyan does not see fit for us to have a child.
Aoyao, I did everything to have a child, but look at me. Look at my body. Though it is still firm-full, I am useless. I must die.
It will not be right to die.
I don't care about the bills. I don't care about the house. I don't care for anything but you. I'll have no other man.
Then you always be fruitless.
I'll go back to my father. I'll die.
Then you hate me. If you die, it means you hate me. You do not want me to have a child. You do not want my name to live on in our tribe.
Aoyao, Aoyao! They're looking for you at the dance.
Always remember, Lumnai, I do this for the sake of the tribe.
Aoyao! Aoyao! It's hard!
I know, and I'm sorry.
Why? Why does it have to be me? I did everything!
Several years later, after the breakup, a woman holding the bean flowers, soft in texture, silken almost but moist, where the dew got into them. Silver to look at, silver in the light blue, blooming whiteness when the morning comes, stretching of the green pods, full length from the hearts of the wilting petals would grow. Eli's fingers moved long time among the glowing bean pods.
I hope you're happy about it.
Are you okay, Eli? You've been staring at that bean pod for a while now.
Yes, I am. I just remember someone.
It must be someone important to you, Eli. Perhaps. Is it Itay?
Why do you think so?
The way you look at that bean, Eli, you look sad.
Darling, I'm fine. I promise. And I have you, don't I?
But you look sad, Eli.
Who says I'm sad? Look at me, Eli. Love doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be true. And I'm happy as long as I